Hello again. We're here to do our fourth and final show.
Of the Lion King? Oh, sorry, wrong movie.
Go ahead, you say it. Say it. He wanted to do this movie, which is fabulous. It's one of our favorite all-time. It's one of your favorite all-time.
That one was, wow. Hello, everybody.
I think he's surprised that we're being recorded.
I said
Birdcage.
Birdcage originally, but
We're wrapping it up. This is our
We're
fourth
wrapping
and final show. I know we digressed and we went everywhere, but isn't that what life is about? That's what it teaches. That's my lesson. Children, life will take you down a whole bunch of roads. Just go down those roads and enjoy it. Don't worry about it.
It's like life's like a safari. That's the music you hear right now.
So yeah,
music in the background.
Yes.
For some reason, he's playing African music. Why would you play African music tonight?
Why wouldn't I?
Well, because the Birdcage was going to do that. That makes no sense.
And it doesn't. Nothing has to make sense. Everything is fabulous, and we will. Oh, look, let's get political. It is not a shit country. It is an amazing country. There you go, bitch. You can't beat that.
Can't be done.
Bing. Boom.
All right, so we're wrapping this up with the Birdcage. How do we wrap it up? What do you think? You certainly give it a thumbs up, right?
Oh, dude,
2 thumbs up.
that shit is a fucking classic. Everybody needs to watch that.
Excellent.
So yeah, that's all we got.
That's it, folks. So we wrap that up. We're now next
not
movie.
wrapping.
Lion King. What's up? What do you think of Lion King? See, all this on the spot review.
See,
Quick answer whenever it comes to.
oh no, I'm gonna be evil and I'm gonna shred her like the queen of France that I am.
I don't know. Lion King. We're recording. They want to know what you think of Lion King.
This is how limited she is. That when she hears drums,
I am
she thinks
limited.
Lion King.
Well, don't you?
No,
Of course you do.
no, of course
This
not.
is the circle of life.
Nobody, that's your circle. My first introduction to African music was a very white friend of mine, female, invited Mario to this dance class. Now, in my youth, I was a ballerina. Boom, boom, boom. And of course, did the jazz, did the ballet, did everything. Retired.
Is it retired?
Then my friend was like,
In
hey,
case you want to know where they all went.
this was in South Beach, and she was like, hey, there's this African dance class. Now, I'm from Cuba, Havana,
It's close to Africa.
Artemisa. So you know I got the black blood in me, baby.
The black blood.
And so we went to this
How do you
dance
get the blue
class.
eyes or you got the black blood?
George Washington was very busy that year. Ching. And so we went to this African class. So this is how fabulous it was. They actually had a live African drummer. And all live motherfucker. And all the females had that sort of large African sort of skirt. Oh my god, bro. And then those kids, and of course I was a ballerina. I'm like, I can do this. I couldn't do this. But my friend was so much worse. I literally remember looking at the mirror and looking at how horrible I was doing. And then I looked at her image and I was like, Mario, don't burst out into just laughter. She looked like a swan who had been shot. I mean, that woman was, I was like, oh. I know I'm doing bad, but I can guarantee you one thing: nobody's looking at my ass. They're looking at her fucking shot swan. It was like,
Not pretty.
forget that woman was like, would you come back to our class? And we were like, yeah, we'll try one more time. We never went back. Dude, when I looked myself in the mirror, I said internally, I was like, don't look at yourself in the mirror. It was that bad.
A lot lately. Don't look at myself in the mirror.
But anyway, as you can see, it's gonna be very hard for us to do any movies as we seem to do.
I think
So this is gonna be the fucking wrap up of
critical review. We'll record that over and over.
of the Birdcage.
Yes.
And next, we'll be checking out Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for coming.
Nice to see you.